Okay, we're going to look at a place value pattern activity, and we are going to also insert a web address so that we can easily identify those place values with the students. Okay, so here we have that place value chart. We can also annotate on top of the place value chart so it's easy for the students to identify those places. Okay, and then we're going to look at it as if the students have not been able to finish this activity. Okay, so one of the things that I often do, and that you can choose to do this or not, it's totally up to you. Sometimes I like to highlight the area that I'm working on so that the students are able to see where the focus is. So each question will be a different color. Okay, and then we're going to circle the number in which 5 has the greatest value. So we would look at that and we would come over and we would annotate where we have that greatest value. Okay, so we'll use that pen and we'll write 56 in our place value chart. And then we'll write 987,000. $987,235. Now the kids can easily compare these, and we could even choose to quickly highlight using a circle, and we can highlight those two numbers. As you see, I have the laser pointer on, so I'm going to turn the highlighter on. Turn that highlighter on. We'll use that circle tool. And for some reason, it's not wanting to let me highlight it. There we go. Okay, so we'll highlight that 5 in the 1's place and the 5's in the 10's place. Now the students can easily see, okay, I have my 5's highlighted. So easy enough. My work is complete on that one. So I'm going to circle the number 56. And again, I can adjust that circle so that it's just on that 56. And we're done. And I don't have time to continue working with this group of students, so I'm going to save this work so that I can bring it up another time. And I will save it as place value, small group, and then I can pull it up later. And you'll see we have it there to pull up later.